Pachi. Hi, now today we're going to make a kind of ají. It's something that we made in Latin America with a different change, but a lot of the same ingredients: garlic, lime juice, cilantro, red onion, and olive oil. I'm going to add some orange juice and a little bit of different kinds of quantities to make it a delicious spread. And like I've said before, garlic always has to be processed in a dry container. Otherwise, it's just going to dance all over the bowl and it's not going to be chopped. So now we have our garlic chopped, and we are going to add our cilantro, our onion. This is going to be just 2 seconds processed because we don't want everything to become like a paste. We want it to be more like a sauce. Some salt, pepper, and our olive oil. This is it. Let me place it in a transparent bowl so you can see how it comes out. After it sits, it's going to be a little translucent because now it has air bubbles inside. And then you can decide if you want to add some heat to this. That's just personal choice. Normally they do have heat, but due to the fact that we had orange and lemon, I wanted to leave it for everyone to add as, just the amount of heat they like. Some people like a little less, some people like a little more. So I thought it would be best to leave it as it is. And here we go. We're going to see it later in about 15 minutes. And you're going to see where all the bubbles come out. And we have it ready to serve with some of our vegetables, like our other dips. We have some asparagus, some carrots. They've been spiced with a little bit of red onion, olive oil, a little bit of lemon rind. And you can actually roast them like this, or you can leave them raw because they're delicious.